gonna find a place that feels like home. Feels like home. All the nights at sea will stay. All I feel is love. It feels like home. Take me to a new dimension.
Hey guys, back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel. So a lot of watch faces are getting released for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and we will see some of the newly released watch faces for this watch and the features, functions, how they look, and the always on display of these watch faces. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say as, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So the first watch face on the list is the Top Gun watch face. We all know that Top Gun is a movie that has been recently released, and that watch face has been released for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. The watch face has a lot of functions, like it displays you the time in this analog format, and also the step count and the battery percentage, and also here it shows you the date and the day, and the second hand is in orange color. Also it has shortcuts, so the top left corner will give you the weather, the right corner will be giving you the workout modes, the bottom left corner will give you the step count, and the bottom right corner will give you the heart rate, which is really great. It has shortcuts, and at the same time it has a do not disturb mode, or dark mode you can say. So if I just enable the do not disturb mode, you can see that the display will be dimmed and you will be only seeing the important functions of the watch face. So here is the always on display. So always on display is the same watch face with a gray color. This is a full screen always on display, so you can see the watch face entirely. So you can download this watch face from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Top Gun port, and this is designed by the designer Milbar. So definitely one of the best looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Next watch face on the list is the Hublot watch face, and this is a purple watch face. It looks really good because of the colors used into it. So you can see there is this purple color of the watch face which pops up in the black background, and it has also a lot of features like the shortcuts for weather and the workout mode. Here also step count and the heart rate information. So lot of shortcuts are also there. It shows you the date also. So really good looking watch face, and it comes with a always on display also. So the always on display is definitely a good looking one. You will be able to see the time, and the do not disturb mode or dark mode is also there for this watch face. So if I enable this, you will be seeing the dimmed version of this watch face, which looks really cool. This watch face is also there in the Amazfit app. Comes with the name Hublot colors, and there are 4 variants of this watch face. When you will be going to download, you will see that there are green, red and yellow and purple, which is active on my watch. Definitely a good looking watch face. It is also designed by the same designer Milbar. So I will recommend you to download this watch face for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So the next watch face on the list is the Seiko watch face, which you will be getting for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. This watch face also looks good. It displays you the date, and it is in black and red color. More colors are there, and it comes with the shortcuts also. So usual shortcuts are there. So there are 6 shortcuts like the other watch faces, and also it comes with a always on display. So let's see the always on display. Always on display is this one. It displays you the time in this black AMOLED display. Red color pops up, and let's see the do not disturb mode or dark mode is available for this watch face also or not. So if we enable the do not disturb mode, so it dims the display, and again it looks really good. So you can download this again from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Seiko Sport Red, and there are a lot of variants. So there is blue, green, yellow and red. You can download any one of them. All looks good on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and definitely this watch face is also one of the good looking watch faces you can get for this watch. So next watch face on the list is the Casio prototype watch face. You can see this watch face looks really good, and the watch face displays a lot of information like the date and a month. And the second counter, this is the battery percentage. There is the heart rate information, the weather information, and also there is this Casio branding, and in the bottom it is showing space resist. So there are shortcuts also in this watch face. So in the top left corner it will go to weather again, in the right corner it will go to workout mode. Here is the heart rate, here is the step count, and you can go to music player also by tapping on the middle left, and in the middle right you will go to stopwatch. So there are 6 shortcuts in this watch face. Can you ever imagine how many shortcuts? And also the always on display looks good, along with the dark mode which is there in this watch face. So many features are there nowadays in the watch faces which are coming. So dark mode will dim the display of the watch face so that your eyes will not get hurt from the blue light which comes from the watch faces of this watch. So one of the best looking watch face you will get for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and this is known as Casio prototype watch face in the Amazfit app, designed by Milbar only. And also you will be getting variant of the watch face. So there are different colors which you can download from here, and this is also one of the best looking watch faces you can get for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, and I recommend you to download it from the Amazfit app. So next watch face on the list is the Casio watch face, and this resembles the Casio watch which was there back in the day, and definitely a very good looking watch face. It displays you a lot of information like the clock time in analog format, the battery percentage, the alarm, the world time, and also it displays you the weather, the date and the day, and also the second counter, and some of the information like whether the alarm is on or Bluetooth is connected or not. So really good looking watch face. Always on display is this one, and there is a dark mode also in this one. So if I just enable the do not disturb mode, you will be able to see the dark mode, and dark mode even looks better on this watch. And there are definitely the shortcuts which are there for every watch face now. So it has all the shortcuts. So the top left is for the weather information, the top right is for workout modes, and again this is for heart rate, and this will be for step count, and in the middle for the music player, and this one should be for stopwatch. So definitely a very good looking watch face. It is designed by Milbar again, and from the Amazfit app you can download, name is Casio watch face, and definitely one of the good looking watch face you can get for the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini smartwatch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you the newly released watch faces which are there for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.